Mi pinto pintura pa' mostrar porque mi ta Prima la tattere de mi mes mi tatasa Cristóbal no da algo suficiente leo allá Si tari petrolo dirá peinando a mi lugar Mi pinto pintura pa' mostrar porque mi ta Prima la tattere de mi mes mi tatasa Cristóbal no da algo suficiente leo allá Si tari petrolo dirá peinando a mi lugar no Peinando a mi lugar no A mi mostrar porque mi ta no
Welcome to the OnBrand podcast. Mijn naam is Joim.
Mijn naam is Jel.
Daar hebben we een guest. Pero besan sa acaba. I don't know.
I got my pedal to the metal.
Okay.
So you want
Got
an
your vibe real
alternative
quick.
bag?
No, I really, yeah.
You ready for the next level?
Hey.
What's that
Hey.
going on again?
Hey.
Catch me if you can, catch me if you can.
But I actually never been in a Lambo. So I've never been in a Lambo, bro.
No, but this is a Mundu.
It's giving country vibes, definitely. No, it's real.
It is.
Like, I would listen to this if I'm walking down the street.
You got a plan.
Like, catch me
Kind
if
of
you can.
serious though.
Exactly. Like, if you
Yeah.
could, you
Quick on
could.
the drugs getting out of
Hey.
hand.
Hey. Hey.
Catch me if you can, catch me if you can. Riding in a lamb, riding in a lamb. Doing donuts on the ass, stepping on the gas. So, riding on the dash, catch me if you can. Catch me if you can, catch me if you can. Riding in a lamb, riding in a lamb. Doing donuts on the ass, stepping on the gas. So, riding on the dash, catch me if you can.
Yeah.
I really like that song. It's hard.
Yes.
That's the one.
Sí, pero tú eres nangono atene bong alisita Lambo by Suzuki Swift. Si boke ture songs dan kunos to play on the pod. Ting playlist ko yama OnBrand playlist. Denos description nang press it anto bataya tour kantika. Ting chronologische volgorde. Ko amit ay importante.
It's okay. It's okay. Some
No?
people, yeah, no.
Sí,
No, it's
mistake.
okay.
With the shuffle it is.
Patur mi.
Exactly.
En dan ko sita it's importante. Boba gewoon go back anto mira ture songs dan kunos to play.
Wat spell Suzuki Swift também, porque não tá Suzuki Swift, mané.
Okay, because I'm about to
Bom
ask.
punto.
Nah,
What's that?
copyright, not to say.
Exactly.
Sí.
That's good. Suzuki Swift, bota spelle S-U-Z-O-O in plaats de U. K-I, anto Swift mané, bolo spell Swift. Zoo, as in zoo, as in
the animals.
the animals, the animal
The
prison.
caged animals never do that.
See?
Okay.
Anto Swift. Dus no mané auto, pero keine mané auto.
And the song is pretty
It's a vibe.
joyride vibe.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
But Joyride on Lambo, I think you have a long day. But since to own a Lambo 8, it's not to be played with.
I'm pretty sure I can even drive my Nissan Pixel. I'm pretty sure I can
Sí,
drive
si
my
kami
Lambo.
no kaya ding omgeving di Lambo tampoco, paso kung pasa, mi no po afford it.
No, they might
That's
have to
a fair.
sell me.
Dus, sim.
Guys, let's do yung guest awe. No one other than drum roll.
Coby Tristan!
Anna, that's right.
Yes!
Anna, that's right.
I'm pretty sure basahin give me really everywhere on TikTok.
Say.
I want to
And
say
the
everywhere,
cool-
girl.
I mean, we'll repost nang ta. Mira, every day on TikTok.
Say, buta papi.
Oh,
Standard
wow.
every day on TikTok.
Oh, wow.
Dat was een ABBA post, dat was een ordinary post.
Oh,
So I do see you a lot.
okay.
See.
See, no está viral pa nos, abota viral di viral. But something man is different. It's different. It's a bit different.
Okay, yeah.
So, say, it's different.
Yeah, no
Two
comment.
tiers to this.
Okay, that's for real. That's for real. Viral is relevant.
See.
It's definitely relevant.
But I
yeah.
think viral time is subjective.
See.
So, viral pa, important na viral pa, I don't know, Dua Lipa. Sako?
Va pone e bar hope alto, pero sí, me toca me diga.
Sí,
Sí.
pero...
Dua
for
Lipa?
me-
Alto? Okay.
Oh,
No, pero the virality.
And virality. Okay.
Sí.
Yes.
kita po beef with
virality.
Dua Lipa.
And no beef. I just think a teeny tiny bit overrated.
Don't go wow.
And nothing go wow. Sally minutes, switch it up a little. Disco the whole time? Come on, girl.
Yeah, disco the whole
Drop
time.
the disco ball.
Say kana pas gina mi no sa kit the Dua Lipa of Charlie XCX of all of it. It's
No, that's not true.
like the Ami, it's for me.
That's
He
not
said personally.
I said Ami.
Okay.
That's not true.
Thank you.
Not really me. demographic.
No, no.
Ito pas the demographic di Dua Lipa.
For a while, no, tata mele dula peep for a really long time. Like with Wendy tata mele dula peep.
Yeah.
So, ik wil stick, dus met dat keda bro, dula peep, dula dan. Dan kent dula peep.
I talk about Wendy Williams.
See?
The one with dementia.
Yeah.
But not really dementia.
What is it then?
The controversy is that she's like just like Britney Spears in a conservatory.
Conservatorship.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that they're withholding like
Her
everything.
funds.
Yeah, the funds.
See?
Okay.
I mean, see, so ano pa new snippet, kuno para sa fans ang kuta download Wendy sukunan.
Exactly.
Ano pa ko na online mas.
No.
They go the years of content.
Yeah. And she was iconic. She is iconic.
She is iconic.
Yeah.
Tingopi ko tingopi host today lo no pa sa iko ng Wendy tata.
No.
Clap if you think she should die. No.
That's crazy.
There's no way.
That's crazy.
Because I was about to clap.
I'm cutting that out.
There's no way umani on Jamie Kimmel of otra na puhasik ko eh. No.
No.
Wendy.
She was
There
very
isn't.
messy.
She was.
And I applaud her for that.
Tata uniko ko pora si ko. Tata bahaya. Opi was that death threats probably about it.
Yeah.
Pero
But if you don't receive that threat, did you even make it in Hollywood?
I don't think I want that.
Oh, no, not personally.
think
no.
I would want that,
But
no.
I mean,
Yeah.
ito
Pero she did
mo
the-
made instrument.
Sí, pero hindi kaya itong parte di gewoon playing devil's advocate. So, no sé si ito así na libertad, pero ito siya pa, sa kaya just in the morning show.
Kung sabi ko ta,
Yeah.
ngayon na lang kita papi DJ, it's real for them. So, abo pa siya pa
Sí.
content, pero
Yeah.
you just said clap if she should die. There's no content to say that.
Yeah.
What's that?
Kind of
diffuse
used the death threat for the other.
See, it's
Yeah,
kind of like
okay.
says. So, voor wat, what's that? Hoort
Sí,
wat.
sí,
Like,
sí, sí.
what goes around, comes around. So, you know, to feel bad, cool.
That's what you got to mention.
Yeah.
That's what people are
Yeah.
saying. Not me.
Yeah.
To our sponsors. Not me. Not me, but the folks out there. Let's see. We're going to talk about Wendy Williams, deep dive. Angel, how are you doing? See,
Yes.
how are you doing?
I'm doing good. Kahit na first episode filming the Turning 25.
Nuts.
Nuts, pero no está taas na busy. Last luna na aqui, quando não há chance kasi welcome back, none of that. So kung hindi ka kumisa ayan ko episode misora trobe.
Oh, wow.
So sila Slim Bennett, si Bunawake, go check it out. And also skipping a week actually of episodes, which is the first in 9 months, maybe the every other week doing episode, which is also crazy. So the consistency también, so build that for sure.
Yeah.
But I'm doing good. Very excited for this conversation.
Same.
I'm looking forward. I've been looking forward. So yeah, I'm good. How are you doing?
Dami. Ito bong. I'm
Is
good.
it?
I'm good. I like the shirt that I got on right now.
Kaya
Ang
shirt
gahoji.
ito.
Sa itong shirt di Corswell, na tatrobe
Sambil.
na sambil. Patras yung very nice dibujo. Never used that word before, but our idea. It's really nice. So go check it out. Very nice. Good people tambe. Sa Black made, YDK made, and no support support. No solamente in speech, pero tambe in una botas pen bo floating of euro.
Okay.
Importante.
Okay.
See.
Because everything black we buy.
Exactly.
Amen.
Exactly.
Kobe, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
See?
You know, I had a long work week. It was draining.
See, wabo camera, see?
Yeah. For all the colleagues out there, you drained me.
Yeah.
But nonetheless, I feel like I had a very productive week. I am, as I'm sure my followers know, I'm going to Bonaire. And so this week, I gave up my apartment officially. And over a month, I'm moving out. And yeah, it felt like just making big steps this week. And now I'm here on this amazing podcast.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I get to have conversation with these amazing people. So that
Come on,
definitely makes my week.
How do you feel about moving out of your apartment?
Bittersweet. Bittersweet. So it's my first official apartment, and I've lived there for a little bit over a year. And it's not even done. Like, as in, I don't even have a dinner table. And I'm pretty sure if you peek in the back of my videos, you'll probably see that I don't have a dinner table. which mind your business.
Exactly.
Pero ano ba ito come ba? Desk?
I don't even have a desk. I
On
eat
the
at
couch.
On the couch.
Yeah.
Vibes.
Because it's giving, I've had a long days of work and I'm going to sit on my couch and watch movies and eat.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Maar dus in die
I feel
geval die
that.
is support die desk, een table.
Yes,
chair?
sometimes, definitely. But you know how much dinner table costs, honey? I have to give an eye for out.
True, pero
So,
your
thrift,
back
thrift,
pain
anto.
would probably be significantly less.
Who said I got back pain? Yeah,
Yeah, but the base the project.
gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, we got him.
Okay.
We got him.
Pero trabaho ko dati tayo po no mistake sin to try computer.
See,
Toch?
no, as a nurse, obviously, me na hospital. And what betreft me business, I've met the challenge of, okay, where am I going to sit?
Yeah.
I'm not finding a comfortable place. And so my productivity was low at some point. And so that's when I started doing the come work with me. So I can go to the cafes and keep myself accountable and sit there and actually do the work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that was my strategy. Other than giving out 600 euros. Yeah.
Awesome.
But we were talking about like my apartment, how I feel about that,
Sí,
right?
sí.
Like it's a bittersweet feeling because it's my first apartment, so I feel very deeply about it. But at the same time, no, I always knew it could was temporary, and that's probably why I didn't finish it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and so
Pero te
see
quiere
that.
awaki kubo move.
mhm.
Nós being back na Jay.
Okay.
Being back na Jay.
Let's
park this one first.
Okay.
Ngoko nós punta nos guests na sempre importante tá kita algo que basinha esse man aqui, algo que luba que share esse man aqui, ngoko track atenção. Não hacía nada.
No,
We'll
I
be
did.
right back.
No, I did. No, I did. Because we were talking about it in the car. It was my friend. I'm not sure if I can say your name. A very good friend of mine, Denzel. That's on May. We didn't really talk this week when she's supposed to come this weekend to this podcast with me and this whole content creation day with me, and we didn't really talk. And I internalized that as, well, you know, in the past, like, oh, they're mad at me, so they're not gonna talk. They're going to giving me the silent treatment.
Okay.
And so I feel like I'm trying to unlearn the bad habits from old friendships and stepping into new friendships with new habits and just holding myself accountable that sometimes it's me internalizing and sometimes it's the other person just projecting.
And the tres eko dinanti na Jay tambe.
Yeah, we did talk about it. It was very natural. I wasn't like, why you didn't talk to me, girl? It was more like we were just talking and the subject arose and I didn't really address it. It just became a topic of conversation. And I give suicide of was eigenlijk de susi man kon ela mire anto kiko pasa ku nos no apape jetante. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think mita tinha ko aí, pero passou me um bad texter. Dus significa que ainda que da guarda o pilar go porta para contestar more than they should. Quando põe que ainda pensa como oh maybe there's something going on, I'm ignoring them. Kamina no. Gewoon minuting in brain power para contestar o aqui. Of me tiene super druk, dus me não é chance de wacht mijn telefoon. Komt me tady mijn telefoon, yes, pero no pa papia.
Exactly.
Dus
And to hina ta pensa with like today's technology ku door kom je text bo dele que man ku access to me
Turora.
the whole time. No, you
Preach.
don't.
Sí.
No, you
You
don't.
don't.
Actually, nós
I
temos
do.
um mistake grande que
Yep.
nós fazemos.
Yep.
E cria a ideia que bota supposed to accessible at all times. No, você me sabe comigo, hora de cantor. That's it. Sí. That's
It's
it.
giving we're closed.
Cantor, sí.
Balte
So
baixo.
24/7 no porta normal.
No.
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 We ain't
Actually,
never-
but they
Sí.
can't say me.
Sí.
As a matter of fact, no text me, call me.
sim?
I'm the type of person to just call me. But I text me, now I have to read your text, and now I have to reply, and I have to text it out. And then, no, it's just taking too much.
It's not often opposite in no bad
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Sa,
Dus-
pues ainda não tá confrontational
Yeah,
mas,
sim.
assim, não tá vendo, tá para. Pero você que me gosta de text, tiene no saque hora conversation acaba.
I'm going to leave you undelivered. Like
That-
open
that's a very
messages
clear
are
way,
like
see.
at 130 or something.
Oh no, I don't like that either.
But the mails man, but the open messages man, everything open
Like
mails.
I got open mails. But so see, but with me algo, Camila, me no me necessarily react on it. Why would I open
Why
it? Why
would
would I
I?
react? There's necessary. Until walking no start double tapping heart, right? Like I liked it, and that's the end of the
It's
conversation.
Amazing.
amistad.
You like that better?
I like that
it's
better.
It's your bet.
But like, Nicole, what a freak.
I'm sorry.
He lined you up. That's crazy. You like that? You like that,
It's
huh?
your bet. Yeah. No, because the compromise give an answer all the time.
But so, mag je nou nog step op piano in person?
Yeah.
En dan wil je daar zien.
Yeah, that's is
Bye.
what you're
But
doing.
I'm the paray nine. No.
But us acting like a text conversation is the same as an in-person
Pero
conversation.
ik coração tá
It's the wave.
Sí.
Okay, girl.
Pero coração me tá de mais mes. A mim tá porque
Oh,
No.
if you ever send me a tongue,
because I don't love the fact that you said, "Oh, masalikas." Was ik me man?
No, ito gewoon. Basta,
Di ko no sa pa kasi. Fijo.
No.
paso ba man namin un thumbs up? Are you mad? Are you trying to make me mad?
Hindi kita
Ma quero basinha.
You're triggering
With the
me.
projecting. Ma quero basinha.
Yeah, well,
We gotta.
mind your business.
Hey, look, it's recorded, so it was a coração.
And I said what I said.
Sí,
Sí, pero un corazón tá más mene, just in the same way you can interpret certain things in a certain way. Like un corazón tá más mene. E pode liefde, e pode liking, e pode, okay, I see you, e pode un wave. #Angel Survive, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. And sometimes I will like your, especially on Instagram. It's easier. But on WhatsApp, but a double tap, and don't go to pop up, and don't meet you tap, it's too much. Bago man on
Sí.
WhatsApp, I will leave you undelivered.
Sí, pero
Undelivered.
Undelivered.
Vink.
As in,
Como
in message sa direnta,
But waka just na.
mita wake, anto si mita yung minuto yung contesta, minuto contesta. Si bobol message me, chances are that I will answer that time. But I answer
Sí.
everyone.
Pero give him the sauce, oh. So when I double text for every time.
Sí.
That's a desperate person. If you double text me.
Pero
But I answered the desperation. You just said you already sent me the answer, bro.
Probably. Because it's like, why are you double texting? There must be something that you are double texting me about.
Pero the bell.
And if you double text me and I don't answer, call me.
Pero the bell.
Actually, if you need me urgently, call me.
Sí, pero
yeah.
pa abo, but the prefer a call. Does it not matter?
No.
Yeah.
No. Like, I would prefer it, yeah.
I mean, not necessarily gusto call to Rora, pero it go out of hand.
Are you like dying right now?
Hey, yo, dog, what?
Wat kijk de unrelatable content hier.
What? That was funny. See. But okay.
Okay.
Okay, interesting. I mean, not a heart. Nada como not actually heart.
I get
Not a
it.
stingy como heart.
I get it.
That's like going to say, I love you. I mean, I love you. I don't do that. I don't do that.
High and
Si mi
dry.
no estimabu, di come to be sa mi estimabu.
That is very true. If I don't love you, I won't say it.
This already di come to nabu corazón.
Exactly.
Corazón? No, never that. Mi mama, si mi do partner, mi partner, this, that, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Okay.
rarely stingy.
See?
Okay. Then again, it's all about perspective.
See, but thumbs up, big dog.
Question. Wat bedoel je? Die bakaya ko bekonnen se. Então é bisau mani. Hey, lik me ram. So me come, bebe algo junto un día. Que wat contestar?
And we never do that, and we never usually hang out.
But that, see, but
I'm gonna
but
hit them
that
with, oh my God, yes, girl. Text me later. I
so you
will.
lie to them.
See, so don't stuurte yung society
But-
lie.
the
No,
guy,
but
yeah.
they lied to me first.
Because they don't want it either.
Exactly, because they made up. Because if they really wanted to, they would have stood there and they would have said, "Okay,
Right,
when are you
plan.
free?"
Yeah.
Or they would have texted me immediately. But now you lied, and now I'm lying too. And now we're both liars.
We're both liars.
What about that?
We're both liars.
But, I mean, let me say...
Or,
Or-
nos turuan yung understanding que kita un formality.
Exactly.
Sí, okay.
So,
Exactly.
tá ganhando.
Okay.
So, não tem intenção de
Exactly.
ganhar, bu. Pero nos turuan também, nós estamos ganhando de es society kami da, nós não tem intenção de essa coisa, abo sa essa, ami tambe, pero nós não que
Yeah.
really admit it.
No,
Nós não tá
kasi,
falando.
oray, no.
No,
Ayo,
it's
ayo.
a expression the I would like to. Are we gonna now?
No.
Yeah.
Pero lo me gusta para dar drinks cubo. Que mens, if I pass after cross. And the thing here, could be data beside me then, oh, yeah, we should get a drink sometime. And I'm like, yeah, we should. And then I text
But
him.
sério, sim.
Stop ya? But if I give you the, okay, girl, yeah, we'll do that. No. Expect no
happening.
text.
No.
Te ko ito man orang ini pun trabaho. Kontak ko ba to bisa nambong.
Bong.
No saku ta bong like no nos nuta purba they have a conversation like ko ba di malu. Now I gotta ask
Kasi
you what the
ito rin naman
frick
tayo
happened.
koi.
But Sako, I'm a stop the bisa bong automatically. I actually think
That's good.
about it.
But quando kiko ta pasando,
No, that's nobody's business.
Okay.
I just tell them, I could be better, or it's not going that good. And if they ask, oh, what's not going that good, or why is it going great? I'm just like, I'd rather not elaborate.
Yeah.
Sako?
Ay no, swa.
Oh,
Bisa
but-
bong numero. Sa bong
Nah.
ba? Papi mo, bosa mo ta bedding me. No, tabi, por mami yo.
No.
Ah, okay.
Sabu.
Ami nabi sabi ko, no, fijo, mito ko mande. Sige, ko paso.
Baputrami, kontakumi. Mabisa bong mintabong. Kala. It's up to me if I tell you what's up.
Sí, pero tinha ta se koi pabopuntra nan tambe.
Ah.
Aha, okay.
Kaya pasabo. And the action ando quando a gente
Sure.
lê
Worst
nos
kind of
verhalen
people,
que tá
sim.
passando.
Oh,
Sacou?
actually, I might catch myself red-handed in doing that a little.
Okay.
Just a little. Just a little. It's because I want to see how interested you are, de verdad, in knowing my
Makan
story.
sa amin. I don't like that. Ami, tabay kira simple travel just because you baited me.
And that's okay. And then I'll just keep moving on with my day.
Sí, ere wat dal na kay heart and to keep moving.
Exactly.
Makomande mo. Okay.
Probably. I'll get them.
Probably.
No, I will.
Yeah.
For
No, I
real.
feel you. I feel you.
Okay, good, good.
So really get into etiquette bag or the etiquette ko ita.
It is.
It is, it is.
So these are the lies that hold society floating. Sabi ko man?
Exactly.
Pero sinos by really bis man actually bono ke bay come kumi, bono ke bay bebe. Ato actually minota bong, already the whole thing crumbles.
And you know what?
Sad.
Somebody that's autistic, and I don't want to talk like I'm a professional or anything. I feel like I'm just saying this out of sheer, I think this is what it is.
He's bisa, no, na mi trabaho como sister, como brother, sorry. That's crazy.
Are you misgendering me? Mr. Joanne?
Como brother, mi amira, bosa, inanan ko ta, wala, antoyori,
And that's for
nuwere
real.
ta karebo, si.
And that's real because I do have some autistic patients.
Here you go. Now,
Or
bodong deskundige. Now, you're not lying.
And
Now
that's
it's
on having
true.
a degree.
That's true. So, see,
There's
bisa mi.
mental beperkt patiënten of autistic patients. They don't know that, and sometimes they'll like surpass your boundaries. They pun trabaho ko very personal. Yeah, not that other white Dutch people
Kunota, autistic.
not to ask personal questions because di kong een patiënt pun trabaho ko DNA. Maar waar kom je vandaan? I told him the zusterpost. Because at this point you're asking me stupid questions.
That's a fair question.
Where I'm coming from, I feel so triggered. No, they ask me as in where do I come from? It's a triggering question for me. Why doet er niet aan toe?
Mas aqui tá funny. Como brother, baka bi dami take a shit, and mi pun trabo.
Simple
Where you come
question.
from? I walk about is it about boundary? That's crazy. You just helped me clean myself. Can't I ask
yeah.
you where you're from? I think we passed the boundaries already.
Yeah, no, for sure. Solamente me tengo que un microaggression.
Okay.
Snap ya? And
Okay,
when
elaborate.
I sense some microaggression, I'm just like, I'm not having it. And so at first I would be like, yeah, I'm from Curaçao. And now standaard van de zusterpost. That's where I came from.
Yeah.
But so it's not because I'm tinted means that I don't come from here or I don't live here. Now,
Punto.
I don't come from here and I don't live here. But that's for me to know and for you to find out
Yeah.
another day.
Yeah.
But not today.
Ask someone else. Yeah.
Okay, get somebody else to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get somebody
Mita
else to do it.
komandebo si. Mita komandebo.
Okay. And just
Tingin kami na tiyende ta actually genuinely interested
okay.
si.
And so in those occasions, obviously what the sense it's a longer conversation. Like if siya nakiapunta namin, ora like come to his bed, right?
That's crazy. Si.
And it's like if that's the conversation starter, I don't want any part of it.
That's more of a
okay.
mi mesasadi uno ba tabing pamisasi
Pamisa.
mita.
Komita address po.
Sa. Yeah, no, inang butira so. I agree.
And I rest my case.
That's tough.
Thank you.
That's tough.
Vamos sobre oray también, paso manager ya mencionar.
Sí, 25 minutos.
Sí. Bottom broeder. Meaning, ba studia verpleegkundig.
HBO.
Zie, no parte di broeder die.
Sí, no.
No. Never that.
Kumbing estudie A. Paso, ba mencionar también, but ito sin un study promé ko say, qual no stop ba figure out what are you saying? Paso ba bisa Chinese communication.
It's really dual. Tampoco me nasa aquí. Both.
Sí.
I'll elaborate.
Please.
Okay, so when I wanted to come live in the Netherlands, first of all, I didn't want to. But okay, that's a different story. I was looking for something different because I wanted to go into theater. I was such a theater kid in high school. I used to dance. I used to sing. For the people that know me, never released those videos. And
Blackmail footage.
okay, because I will find you.
I will pay top dollar for them. So please send them through. Ito po na din yung final edit.
OnBrand.pc@gmail.com.
Ooh, it's giving hate crime. like, come on, dogs. Like, Jesus.
Ay, funny.
Anyway, so I was looking, no para si theater, but so no dating gana di being Hulanda. I didn't have the money. I didn't have the funds. But being Hulanda dos be para si auditions. I did not have a portfolio. Was nobody helping me with nothing. And tumita to study 5 languages. Oram ta si cultura maatschappij na HAVO. And I was good at them. Right? And I was just like, I ate this up, I'm doing good. So I wanted to do something with languages and something that is just very different. And then I found Chinese and communications. And I was like, ain't nobody speaking Chinese around here. So I gotta be the first person to...
Nakorso? Well...
Whom?
Yeah,
The
but
Chinese. What do you mean?
No, as in, ain't nobody that looks like me speaking Chinese around here. Right?
Pero sí.
With all the discrepancies taken into account.
Sí, okay.
Yes, absolutely. Anyway, so that's when I find Chinese and communications, and it was in Maastricht. And now, me no queda by Den Haag of Amsterdam, which is a big mistake, of New Kone. Pasó mi ta pensa, ta mucho druk, and mi ta druk kaba, etabe stroba mi studinang. Also, my mom told me that. So, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And ora mira Maastricht, and I saw the old look and, in mass. I was like, yeah, that's calling my name. I ended up living in Heerlen, the ghetto and ass crack of the Netherlands.
Yeah.
Right.
So Heerlen ta patras y sige by patras.
Anto, un tiki más para atrás.
Y más para atrás.
Exactamente. Okay. It smells like ass crack, actually, too. Okay, thank you. For the people that don't know. In ieder geval, and then I was studying that, and I was doing good. Me periode, I was my own ocho, but Chinese.
Chinese.
Clock it. Twela.
Say something now.
我是清迈呢，我是25岁。
Gag.
Pero du bisa nos que danificatie. Para mi parte, that means nothing. So
我是
I
清
don't...
迈呢 means I'm Coby compared. That's my Chinese name. And 我是25岁 means I'm 25 years old.
Learn something new. Okay.
Yeah. After just going through, first year in the Netherlands, which a lot of people fail, and that's okay. You should come to the Netherlands and you should fail your first year. If you don't, your character development is probably way off. But everybody's on their own journey, whatever. I decided very abruptly and impulsively, as is very on brand for me, to stop the study and go into the medicine field because I used to watch Grey's Anatomy and I was convinced that was supposed to be my life. Yeah. But also, mito un zorgzaam persoon. I wanted to know more about the body, just the medical field in general. And the other my HBO verpleegkunde, I was like, I think this is it. Maar bij zie een little vrijwilligerswerk naar een verpleeghuis, just to see if you know what I mean. And it clicked. It was like, okay. And that's how I became a nurse. And I'm very proud of being a nurse, actually. Yeah.
Then nothing kamina kumani but I regret certain decisions. Bako isay.
No. Do I regret working where I work? Yes.
That's the second shot
That's
at them.
And I will take multiples as they take shots at me too.
No.
And will. And will. No, because at first I thought that, I was very career driven. I finished my school in 4 years. My best is dual. And dual is when you work full time and you do school on the side. Which is the most, like, please, if you can do it, do it. Because you start getting salary and to stop a duo. Can belening tamine masabo.
Yeah.
Life hack.
Smart.
Ask me how much money I gotta pay back. Don't.
Smart.
Okay.
Good. Okay.
In ieder geval, after that, ormasi dual, mesora abing een functie, de een leidinggevende positie, coördinator, and you were supposed to have like 1 year work experience, and I didn't have that. But I had other accolades to show that I could do it, and I got the job. And the whole team switched on me. Because I went from being their student to being their coordinator.
Yeah.
And I can get that, I understand it, and I give them time. I give them months. At some point, you gotta get over it. Stop being a baby. I'm younger than you. You know what I mean? And after that, I was just really contemplating, what do I want to do with my life? And that's when I came to the decision that I just really want to travel. Because I also used to travel a lot in all those school years. And so anytime I would travel, I would have so much self-revelation, so much self-reflect. I would grow as a person. I would meet so many amazing people. I was really like, no, I'm still young in my 20s. I need to do this. Decided to start my business to get some funds. And so I can, travel and work, because how you gonna not do that without,
You gonna pay for this.
And, honestly, I had no idea what I was doing, as in trying to run a business and be a full-time nurse. And so that's when I took to TikTok, and I was like, I'm going to show y'all my journey, and I'm going to display it, and I'm just going to try to be myself.
That's literally, ik kunt letterlijk punto de podcast aqui também. So, like, nos não tem maneira que nós sabemos, para mim é assim, para ainda não conosco bira, então caminho nós que chega, não tem gente que número 1 bisa, é guy of a persona que me look up to, and se tem esse mês, me não sabe o processo. Me only sa na position caminho nanta.
Yeah.
So you able to become the person that you wanna see.
That is so true. That is so true. I say that all the time. If you come into a room and you don't see the representation, it's because the representation is you.
It's you,
And
baby.
you need to create that space. And I'm going to talk about myself a little, again, as this
That's the whole
podcast
point
is
of
about
That's the point.
me.
See, it's okay.
But I richt op een studentencommissie.
Nice.
Ding een ziekenhuis con not in hobby diversity. And if they tell you there is, check them. There isn't. Dat ding maar je richt op een studentencommissie. And after that ding studenten aan die Aruba, die Colombia, colored people that just came up to me and they're like, oh my God, that's so amazing that you can do that. En toen de regie verpleegkundige daarmee. It's crazy. And then I was like, this is why I did it. Come to find out that now there's also a colored person in the studentencommissie, and the studentencommissie is still going.
Nice.
I feel like that's part of my
That's
legacy.
dope. That's dope.
Snap je? And I live by that.
So uiteindelijk, dan ko abo dat miste, pero okay ba poneta, me ko otro no me soy busque ese se te cabo.
Exactly.
I feel like but it's not a easy road, pero ba si e trayecto menos difícil. But tem support, but tem género no ibo ko tamta pasando, mesmo ko kubanto ba sinde bo mesmo bosoe ora e processo desse.
It was difficult though because I was met with a lot of resistance. But comecei com uma sala bisa com no que da voorzitter, which is very not on brand for me because anywhere I go I want to be a voorzitter. But I said no. I want to just be the person that keeps track of everything. I just thought, met dat in hobbycommissie, my leerlingenraad, SSA, all of that. I did all of it. And the basis of it is always the documentation and just having draaiboek, rule book, that was so important, and having minutes to your meetings. And I thought, I can do that. I can be the one that gives, and come to find out, it was the reason that the studentencommissie kept living. Because without the minutes, without all the things I documented, they also documented, we couldn't, pass it on to the next one.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So, usually orbit is to pave the way. Like, ik hoor een expression, pero paving kan men letterlijk, abot is goed bij koba, abot bij leg, whatever. I say, the point tapa buhase ko ipa, and next one ko bimbo tras, yung smooth ride. So, it's part of it. It being difficult. So,
Yeah.
Te contra.
Yeah. Esta que un struggle, sí. Pasó, mi papá también que es mucho me kuta di Aruba. Shout out to you, girl, if you're seeing this. She tells me all the time, I see your videos.
Shit.
Shout out to you, Genesis. She tells me how she also deals with a lot of resistance. The otro white voorzitter. And, you know, I just think it's crazy that it doesn't matter how many accolades you have or how many diplomas you have or how much you've shown yourself. They'll always doubt in your ability to do something. And it's frustrating, but I love it. Because if you're always the underdog, you can never fall too hard. The only thing you can do is rise above that.
Pero toch, die we say, de sin de maniera, nos tengo proof, nos mis den tour runko nos 30. So it's never easy. It's always 10 times harder than it's supposed to be.
Yeah. And it has been for our ancestors too.
True.
But then it's supposed to be for who then? Pues si estás haciendo nos,
Sí, pero-
tú ves que nos tengo que hacer, then that's just what it is.
Sí, pero está supposed to assim, né? Sim, também mais me pergunta.
Yeah.
En
Sige,
también, want sempre nos tinha proof nos mes. Gewoon hoop ik ben dat mensen nos tinha proof nos mes. It's part of
Goed, dan met
the
een
They
coping
say-
projection part.
Sí,
Rico,
that's true.
Because no te sempre gente está buscando ways como pueda hacer algo. Like I saw this video on Instagram, as you do. Caminando bisa, like you come into a room and you're being so grateful to everybody that you know that you're be able to be in that room and you forget that you're in that room for a reason. You're in that position
Sí,
for
but
a
dan met
reason.
een value, sí.
And so you need to stop with that. You can give thanks and be grateful, but you need to stop with that and start getting into the works of it. And kumisa compartmentalize. Okay, Kiko ta something for a social conversation for later, and what's work right now. Okay, something that both parties are not always down to do.
Yeah. Okay.
Interesting.
Me get pivot by back na bata bisa ko bata travel, work, and ribaje bon online community ko bata building.
Yeah.
How have you been able to do that? Two tres kos na tegelijkertijd. Kom dat balance abo vida privé, ko bo profession, ko bo online community ko bata building.
The question is, do I? The que-
Ain't no
do I?
balance.
Valid.
Do I?
Valid.
Because just as everybody is figuring shit out, I am figuring shit out too. It's just from a very young age, as I said, from a young age, it's just been going to school, hasi volleyball, hasi lelingarat, comecei di tina parade. I've always been busy with many things. Part of it is just keeping distracted.
Pero by choice tame?
By choice,
Okay.
yes, absolutely. I always like to keep growing. I always like to keep experiencing new things. I like to keep busy. I like to, if I'm not keeping busy, it's because I'm not growing. It's because I'm in hibernation and I'm settling with myself and I'm doing some self-reflection. I think the way that I juggle it all is just priorities and making a to-do list and keep, like, un to-do list nunca no te acaba. If you think your to-do list will ever finish, you're lying to yourself.
I wish it does.
Yeah. It's just you make a new to-do list with the highest priority on top. And at some point, si ik was nang abaw ke da mucho largo ibaw nang saka na po. Don't do them anymore.
Que das gna?
Forget them. Forget them. If I still didn't get to it in a month,
Then
it's because
obviously not
It's
important.
it's obviously not that important and I shouldn't be worrying about it. And keeping on the list is making the stress even higher now, right?
Sí, me te como digo, man, but timbe, bota, iko te queda abajo, pues, abo no te pone como prioridad, pero está una prioridad. Entonces te queda abajo, entonces no te sigue, pues, no te engana, no, pues, no es importante.
Bueno, no te sí, no tem tempo. Mas ko ta quero bien de landi ko ta mas.
Exacto.
Nu no te engana y hacen
Pero,
on taxes, bijvoorbeeld.
like,
It's important.
paso
Nobody
dico-
wants to do it.
But you have to
You
do
have
it.
to.
But you have to do it. It's just, you know, some things I'm also like, when I meet the repercussions, I'm ready for it. It's okay. Basta, ora po bimulanda, but I can't bills. First of all, my motto is, and somebody taught me this, van kala kippen kan je geen veren plukken. Dus die belasting niet meer naar mijn boete. If I ain't got it, honey. You're gonna have to come back. Circle back.
Circle back.
Circle back on that.
Get it
And
back
you
in
might
blood.
have to raise the price. You can raise it until I die.
Umbiya ko bating essay, it's gone.
Anto, and so be it, because it's gone, because that's the I live in purpose, honey. I live in purpose.
Oh, you live in poverty.
Never.
Automatisch in kasso.
Automatic. Like the minute ik zeg als je shoot, dat is je
Doe automatische incasso op een refund. Not that I do it, but just a little a tip from Flip.
En jij dat is een Greenpeace, wat dat is?
See,
Get a Greenpeace. Is it? You're being exposed right now.
Hoe zeg je met een boek terug?
Donation.
Donation.
Dutch children in Africa?
I needed the money.
No, because
I'm
no.
the children in Africa. I needed the money.
Oh my God, you ate that.
I'm sorry.
That's some real-
No, I don't apologize.
Basta,
That's
that
real.
is no that ang otro time, kisa kita time.
They cut you off, so some shit.
No, the cara. They always catch me on the street. Dito yung cara, opi clearly money. Oh, she's willing to give. And the un guy papi ko mi si mi tamira kiki. Oh, okay. And sabi ko yun kung hindi ko na eenmalig. So sabi ko
There's no such thing,
for
por
like
eso.
4 years. Eenmalig. Uiteindelijk kom ik er stoppen. Maar bij stoppen via een auto website ko tayo cobra mi. Dus betekent dat de refund ik koop, dat ik bel. So or my bel, I want to me cancel. Is er I convince me me sige do.
No, this is a you problem. This is a you problem. Angel, grow a backbone.
I'm sorry, I just feel bad. Ito minisi pero
For who?
nothing manera pa na my school and you know I'm
What?
for education.
No.
The education of young girls. And I'm
Young
feel
black
bad.
girls, yes.
Exactly.
All the time.
I like must stop it. Pero dito mi say como nanta too much for me.
€6. I don't judge. We listen. We don't judge.
Good face judging me. Yeah.
And yeah, that's between you and my face. I'm not responsible for that.
Sí, pero no. Ito na siya mas stop. Pero in caso de belasting, dabing sibo kaya na.
No,
So-
no, not matabo. Not matabo.
Nantabisaba como sa kita sang.
No, no, aanslag.
Nandun na ba option pero sibo no por.
Em kasserse kami.
No?
Papi mas duro.
No,
Sí, pero sa
arriba.
bating beef ko nang kaba.
Então,
Belasting din sa contestable din
if
TikTok.
you think that video was a skit, do you not see my hair because I was going through it?
Reality.
Like I had the things piling up on
Hey
me.
yo. En ko attack belastingdienst en dat die TikTok
video.
account kan belastingdienst. That had me
No.
rolling.
And they said like you have to pay the outstanding balance of
And die-
3,000 something.
And die
No, because
very
I
well.
I have an
Eh,
outstanding
dapat na actually asin na tambe.
and I thought they was like
got
exposing me
you.
for real. And I was like, no, that's not Alec. You can't do
Dat is leuk,
that.
dat is leuk.
I'm paying it.
AVG.
Snap je? Snap je?
Ah, maar goed, ik 8 personen goed behind ik account. By the way, nota belastingdienst.
No.
Not
Because they have better things than to be on
Why would
TikTok.
belasting din sa sa contestable
But if they
Like
start
taking
being on
people's
TikTok, it's over for most people. What's I see? Because no, now walk was on lifestyle, but TikTok, y'all got it. And so the
Oh.
money that you're not giving them, it's tough. So stay woke.
Basta na tipilang ko talanta
Okay.
sang.
No.
I'm gonna sing talanta sang, but in saying cash thing. Because honestly, I should start doing that.
That's why incriminate miss.
Cash money isn't real money.
Isn't?
Isn't real money.
Di ko.
Wara, cash
math.
money isn't real money. Real money, wara.
Cash money isn't real money. Girl math. Ask any girl.
Yeah.
It's girl math.
Okay.
mag
Dus
get
oro
it.
mo
Yeah.
spend it, but not a sintje.
Exactly. Because it's not
See,
it's
it's
not
true.
rekening.
Exactly.
For sure.
I can get that with that.
Kaya itong buong manera was part namin.
See,
So, but
for
the
not
sure.
money
really,
behind
pero-
is saying, but oh, €50. It's your money.
Yeah.
En dat een bom manier bubos par.
I remember
So wanda yan rin.
completely forgetting that I put cash money aside, and then come to find out €100 in time of need. I felt like the children in Africa. I was like, food.
It helps. It helps.
No, for real.
One unexpected day, it does.
100%.
Ja. Ik weet je echt wel niet meer. So Eddie, very well. You have very well smoked me. I was like, no, great. Eddie, no bong. Pero esa kita bo outstanding balance. Antori.
Oh, no,
That
I
was
actually
funny,
got
yo.
scared for a minute. As in sweat running down my neck and everything.
Pero bo primary ba account ito ba mané?
No, my login, it was main belasting this time. You're like, Wakiko,
They got you.
I had to check, girl.
Check. Oh man, that's kaya pa naman yari,
Mas
no?
tadi para hopi companies tabi sa contestar ding comments awaki.
Yes, it's a
Mas
thing.
hopi.
You gotta go where the people are at.
Exactly.
Si ben
Exactly.
echt papi
To get a
man
lot
een
of
Gen Z
exposure.
girl.
Because it is.
Sim,
It
so
is
don't
a-
swam on no
Sim.
on TikTok.
Yeah, girl, slay.
Exactamente.
Duolingo.
Dat sim te trasen, dat tip. As if I will get paid for typing on TikTok.
Violating people on TikTok.
Well,
Bana di ba TikTok career with the building, but yung social media business tambe. How's that going?
how's that going? I put it on pause. In the beginning of this year, I would have told you I quit. But I put it on pause as some people have enlightened me to change the perspective on it. So I started a social media business, and it was actually more advertising, and I just noticed that social media management is much more what I like, since I also like content creation. So that's how I kind of rolled into that. And after a while, in fin de November, I had my clients, right? I was working with my clients, and I was just noticing, okay, this is taking way much energy than it's giving me. So I have to rethink. I got sick as well, so that put a stop, and that was for me the turning point of my, okay, what are we gonna do? How are we going to navigate this new part of my life? Then December came, and that's where I started to decide, okay, I can't stay in the Netherlands any longer. I don't want to. I don't want to have this job. I do like my business, and I do like doing it, but it's just maybe not the right moment right now. So I just need to pause it so I can continue at a later moment. So I quit. No, obrigado.
Pero bueno, te gusta el job na Holanda of te gusta job di being a nurse in general? Sorry, keep it as over by
Me no gusta el job. Me no gusta wat ik met tiki kalakulana. I feel like es Holanda serve su purpose in my vida for now. And to I know ku probably me nota bij in hospitaal mas si nota een leidinggevende functie, as in niet aan bed, is just because and I'm pretty sure kutra na course is different, right? Pero na Holanda, as a colored person, you know how many times people ask me, are you the student? Meanwhile, I'm a whole coordinator. That's a problem moment though. But those microaggressions and those type of things to deal with is just too much. That's one. Two is the high responsibility and the high complex care that comes with it. I'm too young to be stressed about it. As a matter of fact.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to say that.
Dus,
Some things I better left unsaid.
dus we not
I'm
inspire
gonna
er
lose my
tampoco pa grow in that ladder. Heb je corporate?
Funnily enough, I do aspire to be a physician assistant in the acute care, dus riba spoedeisende hulp. But that's just an ambition. That's just a dream. And if it crystallizes, it does. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. I mean, last year I didn't know I was going to Bonaire. And I decided to do that on a whim. And now I'm putting everything in motion because that's exactly where I need to be. And my dreams tell me so.
And keep it best in the Bonaire.
Patuloy na Bonaire ko buscando un verpleegkundige, HBO-verpleegkundige. Please message me. Please. Ando basta ko sa post vacature online because this thing of man the mail is old. You need to fix it. Dat kan niet.
Wat ben je bij? Toen ben je bij ta unie na go to LinkedIn or whatever.
Open for work.
Okay. Because if you go to my LinkedIn, you'll
Begging.
see it. Open for work.
Begging.
I should take it away. I'm not open for any work. No labor for
Open for
me.
work.
I have to work, but I'm not open.
Okay, I'm not open to it. Check it. Ja, yo. So, kimi tabi si ma solicita pa un pari functie kun nota direct patient care. Ando ku toch dan diki de mi HBO functie, pero beneden chiquito, dus options not limited. And honestly, if I don't get a job,
Te biker zo.
then I don't get a job. And then mi takong may tara ko ma host of so. Because honestly, I just need money, and I feel like I'm at the horeca so it's was like I have the experience, and I feel like it's a fun job. It's something completely different from having to come to work, taking care of people's lives, and other than hey conta mesa dos okay bisinta.
Fácil.
Snap you? It's a little bit less.
Yeah.
Pero como being boneiro.
That's such a good question. I love this question.
So, para vai karsao. So,
Para vai karsao. Karsao to senti mene by back.
Yeah.
Basta kong anto mi nota kala pa by back. Paso mi sa kumita yegi nanang. But drin ta ding mas kapay back. It feels like home. Ta moeilijk pa babay. And I'm not ready for that. Basta kong anto mi mama tibi na boneiro. So I don't have to pay rent.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom. And I don't have to pay for a car. And so, ito rin kung mitahaya, me pour save up pa yung papasi mi wereldreis. Because at the end of the day, makumis sa TikTok talk pa get a business, anto pa yung papay travel. So, it's all about the traveling. That's where we need to get to.
What do you locations in mind for your travel?
Yes.
Para sa taman in Caribe, Awaki.
So, this year I would like to go to St. Martin. I would like to go to Sabas and Testasias. I would like to go to Brazil for New Year's.
Nice.
Because
Like it.
I'm not saying Brazil itself ain't pretty, but the man, clock it.
The
Yeah.
women too.
Okay.
And the women
Shout out to
too.
you.
Okay, thank you. Brazil. Honestly, you ask me where I want to go, and I'll say everywhere. I would even like to go to Kazakhstan, and they're
Okay.
racist as hell.
Cool.
Interesting.
I'm cool on that
See,
one.
There's certain places
You lost me. You had me, but you lost me.
And then Iran and Iraq. Those are places, obviously, that you don't just catch a plane and go.
No.
Yeah,
Definitely not.
okay, some assembly required, right? Pero it's to me, traveling is like you either go on vacation or you go travel. And I'm a traveler. I'm the type of person to go to the place and try to experience what life is for them. Because geographic determination is big. Ora bota na karsao bidat sini diferente fu ora bota na ulana. And I just
Definitely.
really want to experience that. And I want to see ko ta drive pa hena na den community aki. Si mita tingu buta mi mes un camino den community aki, where would it be? And why are people acting like they're acting right now?
Pero esta dia também tá mas largo kuma ni simang of batabay.
It depends. I think other rest in my today, so the days will be longer. But I've had and I did a Euro trip in 2022 where I stayed like 6 days in Greece and I stayed 3 days here, 2 days. Now that's enough to just get the tip of the iceberg, just to get to know people, get to know the place a little bit. If you really want to deep dive into the culture, you should stay longer, of course. But yeah, it's not always necessary to me.
Yeah, okay.
Gusto ko bisa yung difference entre a traveler and go on vacation. Yeah, ito bisa ko. That's interesting.
So, basta quando wala na sabi sa, ik hou van reizen. No, babe, you like going to stay in an all-inclusive,
Vakantie.
Mrs. Sally.
staying there, eating your dry pork chops and your way overdue potato fries.
Damn.
Nanda kung kailan din resort. Na tamirando actually kiko
Exactly.
ikutulat,
And then you
kuya
say
nata.
that, and then they say, no, but we do excursions. To what? The Blue Room? Is that it?
Yeah.
Exactly. I like to immerse myself into the culture, and that's to do by staying at a hostel. Maybe a hostel, and I know, like,
It's a tiki, see?
I get it, but ik kaya ding net yung hostel basa. Hostel clean.
Naunda.
Budapest bijvoorbeeld, dat had een ensuite bathroom. The bathroom was clean. It gets cleaned 2 times a day. I also stayed in Santorini where they had no lights in the bathroom, so I get it. But
No
I'm not
lights?
no lights. Like they had a light, but the light wasn't lighting. You know,
It was
Okay.
natural or
like so
the
much.
buraku
In the dark?
di solo like was
Like
that
you could say that. I would step in the shower and I would feel sand on my fucking feet.
Moet parang nagum voor het groot glas toen burakas nigga like that's what it gotta be.
And so I just me to comprende, like the rumors are true. Hostels can be on the dirtier side. But it's all about doing your research. It's all about knowing which hostels to trust. Well, in Europe, there's a lot of Gaten hostels, kutahon, well established with good hygiene. Wak, si bo busta diba hostel world and we'll go for the review of 6 or 7. Be prepared. Okay. Pero si bota go do your research and you find the things that you like, then okay.
Si buscan para encontrar visa 9.9, that's where I'm
Save it.
going.
Yeah.
I'm not going
Some
anywhere.
hotels.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Exactly. It's a second point. What about the travel baso? Hoping it is scary that so. Now, I was scared to be alone too. I actually did a solo trip to Luxembourg just to see how it goes, and I missed the connection with people. So that's why I decided to go to Milan and go stay in a hostel. It changed my life. And I say this is because what I leave it in, riba, the luxury, the sleeping on your own, on your sakong, things like that. But what you gain from it is community. What you gain from it is people that they come from
all
all
over the
walks of
place.
life, and somehow you still can meet in the middle, and you still. But ainda ba din hopi overeenkomsten ku otro, anto bobo experiencia el lugar in different lenses together. Or you can decide to say, deuces, bitch. I'm out. I'm going to experience tonight on my own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's your choice time, but about being eigenlijk.
Exactly. And people, everybody respects that. And the doing hostel. But ako, I'm to buy travel, but me have fun. And part of it is having fun in a museum and seeing monuments and stuff. But part of it is also connecting with people. It's wonderful. I've also stayed in Albania, in Tirana, at the worst hostel socially, and I left. I'm like, I'm dipping. That's also a luxury of traveling alone. It's just what am I busy to buy?
Nou, maar bij.
Privilege
Anto
time,
mabay. Okay. And the ihama puntrami, oh my god, you come to buy. I told him, this is the second day that I go to shower and you have no water.
Okay.
That's pretty important.
Bosando kumisa toca music at 11 o'clock in the morning.
Sí.
That's unacceptable. Not everybody wakes up at that time. Music at night is okay. Bosando bisa wasn't in breakfast, but panko keshi, I'm not paying for that. I could go out there and get my own breakfast. Okay.
To say, in een hotel na kick in. I like a little.
See.
Continental breakfast.
But do you
Vibes.
travel alone?
Have I? I don't remember.
Sa-
The car can make it travel alone. But I go to, or I'm young, my travel hobby.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
hope kami naman tayo young. Dus para me, inotong thing, wow, mas. Maybe it's one of the privileged, see?
It is.
Mita accepta, say. Pero inotong thing ko, mita man eh. Basta? Like, it's, para me, ito man eh, it's alright. Things na ko mita
Okay.
value in life at this point, no, traveling, pero, mita value kung mita travel. Now, that's important.
Okay.
Tem mi kabis, miti ko duro enough, pa all me travel, pa all me buy a room, sana do namin a room ko available.
Uh-huh.
A room ko new and no that's the one I want.
That's the one you want.
Yeah.
And you see, I want the building.
That's,
Yeah.
see.
I don't care. I must still have the building, and I must still not sleep in the building. Because
Yeah.
being the
Yeah.
social butterfly that I am, I
Yeah.
think community is just very important. And
Yeah.
I love culture and I love language. And that's just what you get from doing
See,
that.
see, mita
you know?
company.
So I just think is seeing traveling as two different things or
Yeah.
as different things.
Si nós também on tough, não?
Okay.
Question que nós ask to nos guests, não tá? Usually nós have creators on.
Okay.
Tá pitch bomes na nos oyente não. Pitch Coby. No. Pitch
Slay.
Coby. Pitch Coby Tristan. The traveler,
Okay.
the content creator, the nurse.
The nurse. Un temporada mi peixe vai ter uma Coby the nurse. That's a
Wait.
fact. Okay.
That's good. I like that.
All things Coby.
All about Coby time things. Yeah. Anyways,
See,
pitching myself
Pitch bomes.
to
Itu ko nang kubata anto mi play song in background. But yung song ko bidingan ito, nada ko get nos copyright strike. No, and then ko you got of Abbey Sayers. No kuno din ang strike pero.
País down.
Oh wow. Okay.
A little bit of Azlin Calaster.
So nos get copyright strike mi tabeli.
Of mucha buena de Mita
Diva Squad.
Diva Squata in the building.
Diva Squad ba din?
Niet echt. But I mean, nothing any expose me is by saying that I don't listen to Curaçao songs.
You just did.
You know.
I don't have
Kasi
a...
you got isa lingal lister people.
Yeah, no, but so and this one is giving...
That's crazy. Ikaw dia no sim no.
No, exactly. Lanta.
remix version.
That's crazy. Oh, man. Okay, but we need to play some.
And what's the point of the pitch?
Di kung wena me se wakbo content, di kung wena me se hire as a nurse, di kung wena me se investeer ng tempo sang care ding. Coby. Let's see.
I've waited for this moment my whole life.
Say,
And how many minutes I got?
like one.
Like 1. I was thinking 1 too.
It's like the 864 by Mars. Off of his album, tami ko yung mga 864 sa minutira. Nos ting Coby awe, ando ito by Pitch to Miss. Shout out to Mars. Shout out to Coby. Let's get it.
Kaya may bato buscando po gente kuta multi-talented, dynamic, loves a little laugh and a little jokey joke. But you're also looking for a person that knows about knowledge, is sociable, and understands that life is a little bit more than just living and dying. It's living in purpose and walking with intention, and that's me. Everything that I do, from nurse to business owner to content creator to a bad bitch. So, clock it, check it, and don't forget to follow.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's good.
That was kinda, hey.
Kung sino-sino.
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah, I love it though.
Coby, thank you for being here.
Thank you for
you studio
having me.
audience. Thank you na turin ko sa tienda wak. Thank you naman Angel pa lead a conversation. You did a great job. See, it's a fun conversation.
You guys are some dope ass people.
Oh, thank
I
you.
loved being here.
Thank you.
Thank you for everyone to listen. Don't forget to be a bad bitch today.
Say. Basta sa ka ba
with
like,
that-
subscribe, share, comment, follow Coby. Turso ko na ding description. Anto, atro basta kita Mars 864. Nos tumira the next time. Basta sa ka ba? Peace.
Peace.
Okay, Kev.
Mars.
Kev?
Oh, Mars. Ah, Jesus Christ.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't
Okay,
sue me.
Kev. Mars. Kev? No.
Pasando de vergüenza pa' tu baby, lo que tú